Hopefully you can hear me over the tractor. Just the sunlight. Just making a quick video to show that the plow that I never used works fine. I had to swap out. It had 3/8 connectors. I had to put 1/2-inch connectors on it. I guess this has bigger lines, but the guy's supposedly coming to look at it this afternoon, but just ticked over 9 hours on this thing. And you got your third function over here. So let's see if you can. You just set your level with the level indicator. Go down. Left and right with a button. It's not a bad plow, I just have that, so I never really used it. But I also did a little rearranging today. My uncle's got a Triumph motorcycle he wants me to store for the winter, so I took and scooted the brush hog up against the back of the container. Is that better? Probably not. I don't know. But now it takes up like 3 feet instead of 6. So I just scooted it up as close as I could get it to the back of the container because the wheel sticks down, and then threw a ratchet strap to hold it in place. But that looks like the perfect amount of space to fit a little Triumph motorcycle till springtime. Alright, happy Saturday. Peace.